back. Okay, so so that's what you would normally hear, that E chord. Wanting to go up. So see how many times you can actually spot that movement upwards when we're going through this piece. Another wee thing to watch out for, guys, as well, is that there's going to be quite a few occasions where you're playing this chord and you're going to this chord. So let's see, can we also get that up and running on reverse chord so you guys can actually see it being used. Computer's sort of misbehaving tonight. Let me see if I can just get reverse chord going. There it is. Okay, hopefully you guys can see it as well. So a capo should be on 4. Yeah, F sharp minor, F sharp, C sharp, and F sharp is your F sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. And if you're playing up here, that would be your chord, F sharp power chord there. Okay, so that's the sort of start of it. I'm just going to go back to the start and see, can we play along just with that. Okay, so just those 2 chords. Okay, so you can, of course, expand on this, and we are going to, where you're not just doing F sharp power chord to E. It looks like B4, B sus4 over E. It's really E sus. And in fact, if I get rid of that F sharp, it's really just an E5 chord. But don't be afraid to hit that first course. It gets a wee bit silly as regards, you know, saying E sus2. It's not, you don't really care too much about that. It's just like, think of that as like a pedal note or something, or an inverted pedal. It's the one thing that I would say is a wee bit restrictive with this app is that it harmonizes or takes into account everything. Okay, in music, there's going to be plenty of notes that are non-harmonic, you know, that don't belong to the chord, and I would not include that F sharp inside of this chord. I would just call it, get rid of it, an E5 chord, EBE. That would just be a non-harmony note. I would think of that as like an inverted pedal, just like the F sharp, the inverted tonic pedal. That's your key note to your tonic note. So it can ring out over any of these. So there's part of the chord. There it isn't. There it is. There it is. There it isn't. And then there it is. So the chords I would be thinking about then for this piece will involve the most important one, your F sharp 5 chord. The next one would be your E5 chord, just ignoring the F sharp. And the next one going down another 2 frets is your D major chord, your D, A, D, and F sharp. And then B minor. And then your C sharp 5. It says, or you can think of it maybe as C sharp sus4. That's quite a common way of thinking of chord 5 of a sus4. If you really wanted to, you could add another G sharp in there and get your full C sharp 5 chord. So you'll find that when you're doing in the key, playing a lot of accompaniment in a Dorian mode, you'll find that your accompaniment for this particular key is going to involve maybe 3 or 4 standard chord progressions. The first one could be like, this goes back and forth between those two, and it could also involve da da dum. So everything is on a journey back towards that F sharp 5 chord. Your D, your E5, your F sharp 5. We've come across this before in other pieces as well. You can also go further than that. So the first one is just your basic, and the next one is a little bit more complicated. But if you wanted to go further, you can, and go downwards from that chord towards that chord. That's kind of nice to have a B minor. Just holding down one finger. Then do your C sharp 5. So D, C sharp 5, B minor. And then back up. Okay, so using those chords, that's all of them. F sharp 5, E5, D major, C sharp 5, sus4, B minor, C sharp sus4, F sharp 5. Those are your main chords, and you should be able to follow those chord progressions I use there, going between, I'm just going to call them 1, 7, 6, 5, 4. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 5. There's quite a lot of that in trad music, that sort of stepwise scalic bass line. Ba, 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 bum. Okay, see if you can spot all those different sort of chords that I'm going to be playing here. It's only going to be from that exact sort of progression we just played, and you'll be able to see where, hopefully, you'll be able to hear where those chords fit in to the melody. Usually you want to be hitting that chord at the beginning and the end of each phrase. Here we go.